I went to Home Depot. I bought this little Husky long-handled screwdriver, and it's a slotty on the end. But I needed it for these little wee electric terminals, and this screwdriver is just a bit large. So instead of taking it back, I'm going to grind this one down. So the benefit of grinding these things down is that I want a screwdriver that has enough torque, and that doesn't happen with the small precision screwdrivers. You have precision, but you don't have torque. That's going to be just perfect.